Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Lynn here. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're all well. So, welcome today to a little box making. I've got this hand cream and it's part of a birthday gift. And instead of just gift wrapping it in gift paper, I thought it would be nice to pop on and show you how I'm going to create a little gift box for it. And just by popping it into the gift box, I think it will make the cream look even more expensive. I have got another gift to go with it, a more expensive gift, but this was just a little gift to add in with the one I've already got. So without further ado, I'll show you what I'm going to create. So what you want to do is grab yourself a piece of card, and your piece of card needs to measure 9.5 inches by 6.25 inches. And I just thought the green will go really well with the design and colours on the hand cream. Also, I'm going to be doing the gift wrap is greens and peaches, and the bag is also along those colours. I will show you it all when I've finished. Anyway, so what we want to do on the 9.5 inch side is score at 1 inch, 2 inches, 7.5 and 8.5. Then flip your paper around. I've already done my scoring. So on the 6.25 inch side, you want to score at 1, 2, 4.25, 5.25. And that is all the scoring done. So next what you want to do is just fold and burnish it, and then we are going to do a little bit of cutting. So really simple to cut the box. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we want to get rid of these two squares here. So all we're going to do is cut down the score line like so. Take this away from there like that, and then we want to cut this one away as well. So we will go all the way down the box like so, cut this one away like that, and then all we want to do is pop a little notch out of each side like that. Then we will turn it around, and again we will come just down the score line like so. Get rid of these two here like that. Go down this side here like so, and then we want to get rid of this one here like that, and then again just take a little wedge out of. Right, I've done that one slightly different, but it won't matter. That one's that way. Right, okie dokie. It won't matter because it will still just stick down exactly the same. So it won't make any difference which way they kind of go around. Okay, so we should be left with this now. So you want to do this on, cut your pieces away on all 4 sides. I've made this so that we have a bit of extra support at the sides, so these pieces, the outer pieces on the box, will fold in over like so. So I'm going to grab my glue and I'll show you first of all how we're going to stick the sides down. Okie dokie, so a little bit of glue, so I'm just using my Kalal all-purpose glue, and I'm just going to pop a little bit onto the tab here. I don't want to open this too much as it really oozes out. I don't want glue all over the box. Right, try that. And what we are going to do is just fold this around like so and stick it down. Line your box up like that, and there you should have a lovely neat side. Then I'm going to do the same on this tab here, and this time this one is going to flip around and come into there like so. So if you do that on your 4 tabs, then I'll show you what we do after that. Okie dokie, so now what you want to do, so you should have your box stuck together like so, and then what you want to do is get your glue, and we want to glue all of these sides here and stick them inside. So I'll start with this one, so I'm just going to put a dab along the edge here like that and down the 2 sides. I don't need to pop it at the bottom. And then what you want to do is just fold these over like so and stick them down. I want to run my bone folder in there, just like that, and stick it down. Then come and do the other 3 sides. So again, just a little bit of glue along the edge here, like so, and down the side, like that. Fold it in and stick it down. And then I'd just like to take my bone folder . Okie dokie, so for the lid, we need a piece of card that basically measures the same as the previous piece, which was 9.5 inches by 6.25 inches. But what we are going to do slightly different is on our 9.5 inch side, so that we get a lovely snug fit on the lid, we just want to move the piece of card out 1/8 of an inch from the side here. And then once you've done that, we want to score at 1 inch, 2 inches, then turn it onto your 6.25 inch side. And again, we want to move the piece of card out from the side of your scoreboard by 1/8 of an inch. And you want to score at 1 inch, 2 inches, and that's the scoring done. And then fold and burnish all of your score lines. Okay, I've done all mine. But before I do any cutting, what I'm going to do is decorate the top of my lid on the gift box. And I'm going to decorate it with the same gift wrap that I've wrapped the other gift in, just to tie everything in. So the outside will have the decorative gift wrap on, and then the inside is a lovely lemon, and there is lemon in the gift wrap, and then obviously the green of the base of the box, and everything will tone in absolutely beautifully. So what you want to do is cut yourself your gift wrap down to 9.5 inches by 6.25 inches. Okie dokie, so all I did was put a little touch of glue all the way around. I didn't bother doing any in the middle. Maybe I should have, but it doesn't matter, hopefully. So I've stuck it down just using my Kalal glue, and then I've just ran my bone folder over the top, And then what I did was I just came back in once it's stuck down, and I've come in with my bone folder all the way around the box again, just to make the score lines a bit more prominent again. Okay, so that's that bit. So all that leaves you to do is just cut away the outside squares so that we can stick the lid and the box together. So like we did on our base, we just want to come down the side like so, and we're going to cut the first two away like that. Okay. Then we are going to take this one away here. So again, just down. We go all the way down like so, and then cut this one away like that. And all we want to do here is just take a little piece out, at the end, like so. And we want to do this on all four sides. Here we should have that. I just managed to save it. I was just about to cut this tab off. Oh, dear me. I just realised in time you're not going to see that, so that should be fine. So this is what we should have now. So we should be looking like this. And all we want to do again is just do what we did on our base. I've left a couple of little straggly pieces here. For some reason they haven't come away properly, like that. And then we are just going to glue this together. Again, I'm going to use my Kalal glue. So these two pieces, first of all, I need a little bit extra glue on there. I must have missed that one. Okie dokie. So to glue the sides now, I'm going to do this tab here first. And I'm just going to spread the glue around. I'm going to grab that quickly. Okay, so I will pop the glue on. Again, I'm just using my Kalal glue, and I'm just going to line that up like so, and just hold that in place. It's a little bit oozing out here. Okay, and then a little bit more on the other side here. And then we will turn that into there, bring it around and stick this one down as well. So do that on your four sides. Okie dokie, so I've stuck my four sides and it's just the same as we did on the base. I'm going to stick these four sides down. So again, it's just to run the glue along the edges and then stick it down. So I'm just going with a little bit along the edge here and a little bit down either side. Okie dokie, I'll just show you for the last one. I've just run my glue along the top and down the edges, flip it inside, and then grab my bone folder and get it stuck down. So there is the finished lid, and how pretty is that with the lovely pattern paper, and then the lemon just matches in gorgeous with the greens and lemon and peachy colours on the gift wrap. And then all that leaves me to do is, this is the finished box here. And how pretty is that, with the gorgeous gift wrap on the top. And then when we take the lid off, it reveals your lovely gift inside. And how fabulous does that look? The hand cream matches absolutely beautifully with the colour theme of the gift box and the gift wrap, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. And there you can see, if we just pop the lid back on, how gorgeous a fit is the box. It's absolutely wonderful. The lid and the base just go absolutely great together. So that is the beautiful gift box, and I will just bring in my gift and my gift bag. I have also made the gift bag. So this is the gorgeous gift bag that I made. Do check it out if you haven't already. I have a video up on my channel. So what I'm going to do is just pop my lovely gifts. So this is one of my gifts here. I'm going to pop that one in, and I've also got my lovely gift box that I made with my hand cream in, and I'm also going to pop that in there. And then I've got some lovely green shred, and I'm just going to pop that. Look how lovely. I'm just going to pop that over the top like so. I've got my gift tag to write on the gift bag. I've got some lovely green satin ribbon through for the handles here, and I've also popped a happy birthday on there as well. And how gorgeous is that? It's absolutely beautiful. So do check out my gift bag video if you haven't done so already. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, take care, and bye bye for now.